This project is simple, affordable, and practical, especially if you like making your own tools for small home jobs. It doesn't require anything fancy, and you can easily adjust the size based on what materials you have on hand. Before starting, make sure you've got all your materials ready. You'll need a short hacksaw blade, 2 PVC elbows, a straight piece of PVC pipe, 2 small screws with matching nuts, and a drill. If you don't have a drill, that's fine. There's another way to make the holes. A heat gun works best for shaping the PVC, but any safe heating source will do. Keep a marker and measuring tape nearby so everything lines up properly. Start by measuring your hacksaw blade. This measurement decides how long the top handle needs to be. The handle should be the same length as the blade or slightly longer, so the saw feels balanced in your hand. Cut 1 long PVC piece for the handle, then cut 2 shorter pieces for the sides. These side pieces connect the handle to the blade, and their length can be adjusted depending on how compact you want the saw. Once the pieces are cut, it's time to shape the frame. Heat one end of a short side piece until it softens, then push it into a PVC elbow. Hold it there for a few seconds until it cools and locks into place. Do the same thing with the second side piece and elbow. Next, heat both ends of the long handle piece and connect them to the open ends of the elbows. Hold everything steady until the PVC cools down. When you're done, you should have a solid rectangular frame. Now move on to attaching the blade. At the bottom of each side piece, mark where the blade will sit. Take your time here, because both marks need to be at the same height so the blade stays straight. Drill holes at the marked spots. If you don't have a drill, heat a nail or metal rod and carefully push it through the PVC instead. Slide the hacksaw blade between the 2 side pieces, line up the holes, and insert the screws. Add the nuts and tighten them until the blade is secure and doesn't move around. Once everything is assembled, give the saw a quick test. Try cutting a small piece of wood, plastic, or thick cardboard. The frame should feel steady, and the blade should cut smoothly without twisting. If something feels off, tighten the screws or gently reheat and adjust the PVC joints. You can also sand down any sharp edges and add a little glue inside the elbows for extra strength. After that, the saw is ready to handle everyday cutting tasks around the house.